The metaverse has become one of the biggest buzzwords in blockchain and crypto, as it promises to provide a more immersive, interactive, and collaborative experience than the internet has achieved to date. This promise of a new world has huge companies like Meta investing huge sums in the budding space. When most hear the name Metaverse, their minds wander to a few things: an avenue for global conglomerates to showcase their tech bent, an esoteric product for a select few to flaunt non-fungible tokens NFTs, or a new front in development. Themes, however, a deep dive into Metaverse reveals a whole new world, one full of new opportunities and risks for consumers and businesses. Although the current metaverse ecosystem may be populated by giant corporations, eventually for wider adoption, smaller companies will need to make a transition. Looking at historical patterns in the adoption of new technologies like the internet, mobile payments, and more, it is evident that small businesses are playing a monumental role in integrating the masses. One of the key insights from Facebook Connect 2021 was that the advent of Metaverse is imminent, but the timeline for mainstream adoption spans at least a decade. A study by Pew Research found that around 54% of the top innovators, developers, and tech companies. Meanwhile, political leaders believe that by 2040, the metaverse will be a functional aspect of daily life for 500 million or more people around the world. The urgency of transitioning to metaverse may not be immediate, but companies should consider the technology at least at the edge. By strategically using resources now, a company will be able to improve the experience of customers in the future. To understand the opportunities and risks that Metaverse brings to a business, it is imperative to understand the Metaverse infrastructure. John Randolph, CEO of 3D game company Beamable, categorized into 7 layers. Infrastructure: this layer is made up of the semiconductors, materials science, cloud computing, and telecommunications networks that allow the construction of the layers that cover it. Human interface: the human interface layer refers to the hardware that will be used to access the metaverse. This includes everything from mobile devices to VR headsets. Decentralization: build everything on a permissionless, distributed, and democratized structure. Spatial computing: this layer refers to the software that brings objects into 3D and allows the hardware interface to interact with them. Creator economy: make it easier to create metaverse projects and monetize them for creators. Discovery: ways of discovering the experience. Experience: users can engage in games, social experiences, live music, and more. In all likelihood, most small businesses will be involved in delivering metaverse experiences to their customers. Speaking to Cointelegraph about the disruptive potential of metaverse, Naveen Singh, co-founder and CEO of decentralized data management network Inuri, said, "There is no longer any question that the metaverse will be a major disruption for the digital economy. The real focus now is on which industries the metaverse would be most important for. Gateway to a new digital economy. The metaverse opens up new possibilities in several areas. The industries most likely to undergo transformation and feel the immediate impact of the metaverse are games, fashion, entertainment, media, and retail. At the same time, for the metaverse to unleash its full potential, one of the most defining properties would be interoperability across its fabric.